Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full down analysis from this morning on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the pound is actually continuing to be very, very choppy, which is not surprising with the election next week in the US. We did have a pretty good sorting opportunity, which I did take today, but boy, that was a pretty big stop hunt that it did. So the trend is definitely still down because it did not break structure yet. So the trend is definitely still down, which means that the momentum is definitely still leaning towards the downside, which means I would still primarily be trying to go short at these little peaks right here, trying to catch a possible another push down. A lot of the dollar pairs do look like they possibly have found a bottom, so I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did go up and break structure. And when and if it does break structure, especially if it breaks structure with momentum, I will definitely turn into a buyer after the break of structure for the continuation of the uptrend. No break of structure means I'm still primarily looking for shorts. I'm being a little bit cautious on the dollar pairs because with the election next week, it could possibly be a pretty choppy market for the next week. We have 1 week from today until the US elections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.